Hey guys, how's it going? So today is gonna be some fun. We, as you can see, have the car up, and that's my exhaust pipe. So this is all getting changed from that resonator all the way back. I'm gonna have to find a different kind of muffler to fit what I'm doing, but bam! So I got this 3-inch straight pipe here. I'm gonna be replacing, like I said, from there to the muffler. And we got a new addition to the garage. We got the iron ton MIG welder, and that's what I'm using. I'm learning, so you know, don't tread on me too much, but I get some good beads and some bad beads. But this pipe's a little hard to weld on because it's very like brittle-ish. Not brittle, but it burns very easy, so you have to be kind of quick. But I'm getting it down so far. I filled in a big gap here, which I'm proud of. So this is the first angle, as you can see, from here to here. And now I got to work on this tricky part of getting the angle that goes up and then back down. So we'll see how I figure that out. We're getting there. So I got the first pipe all the way on. We got that corner for that back corner. Then we have the really sharp one. This came out like shit, but I'm gonna grind it down, make sure it's all set. I had to make a custom angle here that I couldn't quite get when I was trying to cut it off and do it the right way, but that's gonna represent this bottom corner here. And now I'm onto the top corner, which this one's coming out better. This one is supposed to represent that corner. Then after that, I'm gonna set this pipe in straight pretty much, and then put an angle at the end of it so that I can get this can. I'm probably gonna weld on for now. Get this on, you know, at least it's there. And then swap it over to a actual 3-inch inlet muffler and go from there. So we're getting there. As you can see, the welds are not good. I mean, they're gonna hold. They actually, as bad as they look, they don't actually have holes through it, so that, you know, air will, well, exhaust will not come out. So it's gonna sound good. I'm just gonna have to clean up these welds. But I'm kind of proud of, I'm pretty proud of myself, because this is my first time actually fully welding up pipes like all the way through for a full exhaust. I've mostly done just little things like weld on a hanger or just weld one piece on, that kind of stuff. I haven't done a full exhaust all the way through before. So this is new. I'm loving it. I'm having fun. I'm practicing. This is basically my practice. I'm having too much fun doing this right now, so I'm gonna now flip this over so I can get the other side. I might have to do the same kind of plate here so I can block a big hole without having to fill it, and go from there. So last time you saw the car was just up on 2 jack stands. Well, now I'm up on 4. And where's the 3-inch pipe? Whoa, nowhere to be found. Whoa, there's a stock one.
Oh no, you shoved up your ass.
Now. Whoa, there's live tail. There's part of the 3-inch. Wait, where'd the rest of it go? It fucking fit, boy! So now it's just time so I could get that last bit of the 3-inch on, so it comes out to the back. The car sounds friggin' amazing on this. All I gotta do now, like I said, get that so it comes out. I gotta figure out, there's an angle that I messed up, so I just gotta get like a small part of it. It's probably gonna require me grinding down this little angle over here. Regrind a little bit of this and fit it on. But she's almost done. And I'm so friggin' stoked. All right, let me get a quick startup. All right, I gotta push this clutch in. I am so stoked. This thing sounds so good. Now I just gotta get that last bit, bring it out. Probably gonna throw in that 2.5-inch muffler again just to have it on there, get something on there. But the 3-inch sounds so much better than the 2.5 or whatever the hell this size is. Probably like 1 1/8 freaking tiny pipe. That is tiny pipe compared to freaking 3-inch exhaust. Woo! It sounds so much better. It's so much deeper tone. Now it's just spider. All right, now it's just time to fit that last bit on. All right, guys. Well, after some unfortunate mistakes, the pipe didn't fit. So right now we're making a custom angle. Well, not angle, but like a custom bent tube elbow kind of looking thing. I don't know what to call it. I'm just stressed about the car right now because I have to bring it to Vermont this weekend coming up. This video won't be up till then. I'll figure it out. We'll see. I got a few others to upload before this one, obviously, and you'll see that coming up. But we're nearing the end of August, and so with saying that we're nearing the end of August, I'm going back to school soon. So we're gonna have some fun. I'll show you where we're gonna be moving into when we actually move into it. I'll upload a small video saying this is where I'm living for now. Yeah, and because we got kicked off at the dorms because seniors don't have precedence over the rest of the classes this year, which is really stupid. But like I said, I'm moving into this place. It's not like my mom's kicking me out because I'm still living here. But I'll be coming back on the weekends. But so every once in a while, that truck will go up to the place that we're moving into, or my car, depending. We might move into some snowmobile stuff soon. I'll get some compilations up once snow falls. So hopefully this angle pipe will fit so I can take the car tomorrow to my detail for work and then bring it down to Vermont. So I'll catch you guys once we get this angle pipe mostly set up where we need to and go from there. Well, I know I didn't get a lot of it on video, but bam. As you can see down here, we fixed that little pointy area back there. It's a lot higher off the ground now. I should be all set. But the whole 3-inch pipe is now on with slight angle back on the can the way I want it. And I think she's done. We're going to do a quick startup and drive out test. See if she's all set. Checked my tune, everything's still back. Charged up my battery because I had a battery light and I found out my battery was dying. So, alright. And as always, after working on stuff, please start. That sounds so good with that 3-inch. Alright, let's pull this out of here. I might have to do some slight upgrades with the tune to handle it. Right now the pipe is kind of rubbing on a heat shield, so I can feel the vibration, but it will stop eventually once it bends that heat shield in. Park this over here. Quick popcorn test. Nothing yet. We'll let that pipe heat up, but you can hear some slight rumbles. It's not bad though. Sounds great with the 3-inch. Alright. Alright guys, well Mint. I figured I'd get a exhaust clip for you. This thing has been awesome with this 3-inch. It sounds so good. windows, you can hear a better sound. I am very happy with how this thing sounds. So it is rubbing a little bit, kind of where I thought. It was rubbing on the right on the body. So it's like where I have it hung up so it doesn't hit the ground, it kind of taps the body a little bit. You can't hear it, but you can definitely feel it, but it's not bad. I believe it's hitting on the heat shield that's coming down there. So I'm not too worried about it. If anything, it'll just bend the heat shield a little bit, or it'll bend the pipe a little bit, which would be even better. So I'm not really going to worry about it. I have to go to Vermont in a couple days. I can't get over how good this thing sounds on a 3-inch. I just got to get a can that fits or not a can, but some sort of muffler that'll fit the 3-inch pipe, so I can have a 3-inch inlet, and it will stay 3-inch all the way through from the resonator back. So, I mean, I'm not too worried about it. So when I cross the states, I'm gonna put the silencer in, because up here, you know, you're not really gonna get pulled over for this. But crossing state borders, possibly. So I'm gonna throw the silencer into this muffler, quiet it up a lot. That silencer really does quiet this thing down. So we'll see if I have more leaks. I think there's a couple leaks. I'm not too worried about it. It sounds good. When I put the silencer in, we'll see how bad it is, because the silencer will really show what the leaks are. But yeah, so I'm gonna get home, put the silencer in probably tomorrow and check it out. So, all right.